Did you know that each of us is born with unique talents that sometimes fade as we grow older? Today, it is widely understood how and why this occurs. Brian Tracy, a well-known author and entrepreneur, revealed that the skill of genius can be reawakened at any age. All you need to know is how. There's special blockages in our genome that prevents information from flowing from the portion of the brain responsible for success-oriented thinking. If the blockage continues in place, people may find it difficult to earn a substantial income, typically leading to a life of poverty. I have personally studied Brian's research and discovered key habits that can help activate your dormant genes. Two of these behaviors are really important, so please watch this video till the end to find out what they are. You'll learn how to raise your children to be future billionaires as a bonus, so please hit the subscribe button to join us on the journey to prosperity. Brian's early life was quite ordinary. His early years closely resembled the lives of many people. His father worked as a woodworker and his mother was a school teacher. Their income barely covered the family's basic needs, leading to a constant feeling of hunger during Brian's childhood. He couldn't afford a fancy education, so he decided to work instead. Starting as a handyman, he soon realized he wanted more. That's when he took a job as a sailor and spent 8 years traveling the world. This journey changed him completely. When Brian returned home, he had a newfound mindset, one that led him to success. He figured out the real truth of life and started working in sales. His rise to the top was very fast. Today, Brian Tracy is a respected figure in business and personal development, helping countless people boost their productivity, improve relationships, and gain financial independence. Now, let's dive into some key lessons from his life and work that can help you too. Activate the positive attitude genome. Our emotional state has a large influence on our wealth and success. Brian Tracy emphasizes the importance of having a positive attitude since it keeps us motivated, helps us overcome challenges, and keeps us optimistic even in difficult times. To adopt a positive mindset, use these steps. Write down all of the things you're grateful for. When confronted with a problem, concentrate on finding solutions. Surround yourself with positive and inspiring people and avoid negative influences. Many people assume that a good attitude is unattainable, but Tracy believes that it is the foundation for success. Act on your ideas. Here's a valuable lesson from Brian Tracy. When you have a great idea, don't just keep it to yourself. Take action immediately. Many people have fantastic ideas but never act on them. Tracy says that's a mistake. Even if it doesn't work out right away, start somewhere. Write your ideas down in a notebook and carry it with you. Over time, your ideas will evolve, and one day, they'll lead you to success. The law of cause and effect. This principle advises seeking out individuals who have already achieved the goals you aspire to. Learn from them, replicate their actions, and ask questions. Successful people often share their experiences and insights willingly, providing a shortcut to your own success. The 10 Goals Secret Technique. Grab a notebook and write down 10 goals you wish to accomplish in the following year. Start each goal with I and specify a precise date. Make it a daily habit to write down your goals. Your goals will grow over time, and you will get clarity on the most critical ones. This exercise programs your subconscious mind and opens the door to opportunities that align with your goals. Build successful habits. Successful people have certain habits in common. These habits include setting clear goals, managing your time wisely, constantly learning, and being persistent. Cultivate these habits, and you'll be on your way to success. The law of faith. Your beliefs shape your reality. The law of faith states that your beliefs influence your reality. Positive beliefs instilled in children can lead to confidence and happiness later in life. Limiting beliefs, on the other hand, can hinder progress. Ask yourself powerful questions like, why are some people more successful than others? To help you overcome negative attitudes. What's one big goal you want to achieve in the coming year? Share it in the comments. Let's inspire each other to reach for the stars. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We have some serious good content coming up. And remember, keep a positive attitude, think big, and work towards your dreams. Together, we can achieve greatness.